The archer.
Can we actually kill the archer?
Yeah.
Why didn't they grab anything?
Bigfoot, watch your back. Josh is eyeing you up.
But as soon as he's dead, I'll...
Is J2 dead?
No. Oh, that's over.
It's over!
Glenn stabbed me. Glenn stabbed me.
I'm the only one who gets to go.
Well, no one.
Try to hit the phone. Awesome.
Hi, Grumpy. You can stop my charge.
I'm going to kill you!
Don't worry about me.
Get my father!
That wasn't very nice.
Did she just gank you?
Actually, as far as a backstab, that was a very nice backstab. She saved.
Nice try though. That was really good.
Felt that she needed to
I needed to
kill you to make up for it.
Okay. Oh. You can even like...
I'm just following you. I don't fight.
I don't like... Oh!
Oh man. No.
Don't be afraid of him. Close the gap.
Hey X, just let me have this. Yeah. You got right around. Oh, you got me back away. Anyhow.
Yeah.
Well, no one that can get those bars.
Raise him if you're ready. Shannon, good luck.
You're it, J2.
Oh, fuck, I love
There's a Bigfoot tag. Nice. Good.
Yay!
Done.
Dead.
There goes the rabbit. This is awesome. This is so horrible.
You okay, girl?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
What did I say on the friggin' post?
I don't know.
Bug spray is your friend.
Yeah, it's sitting in Josh's car.
Oh, I haven't seen weapons go flying like that for a while.
I think I just gotta watch now.
I think you got hit, Bigfoot.
I felt pommel and wrist.
Yeah, I think he touched you.
Through after it.
Yeah, yeah. He did touch you a bit in the side.
Oh, wait. Do we have to do that, like, thing?
I don't care what you do. No, you don't have to touch tips.
Good slide. Perfect slide. Wide open for
you got my leg.
As soon as you die, say next. Simultaneous leg strikes on the next, Geraldo.
Next.
Afternoon. Good morning.
Hey, the first one good enough.
You didn't call it.
Say next.
Got hit.
Say next.
You got me. You got me. Next.
If it's going through too slow, we'll add a third fighter. Yeah, it's really friggin' tight arena. It'll be brutal.
Did I not get you?
I didn't see. Sorry. The film will tell later I was talking. No, he's not. He's Bigfoot. And that's coal. Coal fire, coal blaze.
Next!
I'm sorry. Did I move him too far away from you?
Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry. She got you cold. You're both dead. Okay, next. Two new guys. Get off there, gorgeous. You're dead too. Get off. No, gorgeous. You're off the field. Gymtastic. You're dead. No, not you. The other gorgeous.
Damn.
You're pretty, you ain't gorgeous.
Yeah, you're pretty.
Next!
He's douchey. Can't he be both? All right, so you're going to change gear. Yeah, whoever dies leaves their gear and takes the other guys away.
Oh, great, my sword's been eventually break.
Oh, well, we need to try it.
No. Oh, clear shoulder. So is this?
That's a throwing disc. It's a discus of death.
Thank you. That's the word I was trying to remember. Chakram. I was thinking chakra, and I'm like, no, that's not right.
Naruto.
Chakras? Chakras are from Eastern friggin' philosophy of healing and meditation.
Naruto.
And as usual, some and or game stole it.
Next.
Cha- yeah. Now it's just a weapon that you used to use.
Don't have that reach anymore.
I got it on the side. You got my arm, but then it was head.
Next! Switch gear. Oh no.
Yeah, pretty boy's so stoked about this. His least favorite fighting style.
That's what he started with.
Yeah, and he got called pretty boy because of it. From the ever mounting headshots.
Within 3 weeks. That's how I felt.
That was quick.
Ah, opposites here.
Gear change.
You have my gear, I have your gear.
I get my shit.
Either way, someone gets their shit back.
They both get their phone back.
Just hit the camera and he'll fall. Perfect. This is a crew working real hard at not working.
Yep.
We've got X, or the rabbit. There's Pretty Boy. One of the brothers, Grim. AJ, often called Little Shit. J2, AJ, Shitball. I don't know. He gets a different name every week. He doesn't care. He just keeps smiling and hiding. It's awesome. And then he backstabs like 9 people in a war. Did he just spank you?
And a tiny sword.
Whoosh. Oh, that was a leg. That's a dead Bigfoot.
He's alive.
How many lives you got left?
2. Oh, excellent.
Who's the last one? I'm gonna I'm gonna just not do that.
Yeah, no. I guess I'm hanging back.
X, you really shouldn't be in there.
Somebody go around the right.
That was Shaft, yep.
Sorry, babe.
He likes a shaft in the head.
I always knew he was gay. I hate to say it, but I knew.
No, he's not gay, he's bi. Oh! Yeah, don't swing that again. Do not swing that again. All right. That never worked.